Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Poco M4 Pro from Xiaomi with a cracked display, and we need to replace this one. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start off by evaluating the damage on this smartphone, see what we can do. But I think we already know what we should do here. And it seems to me that this smartphone has been opened before, and recently at that, the back cover has already been removed quite easily, and we are now detaching it from the back of the display. We're gonna remove this camera cover first. There's lots of screws on this part, so 4 of them, I think. Remove them, and the cover for the back of the smartphone has been removed quite easily. We're gonna see where the connector for the display is, and this is, I think, it. Open it up quite a bit, and then push it in. Reconnect the battery and turn it on with the power button on the side. It's not showing us something, so it might be dead. So we're just gonna plug it in with the charger. See if we see something. I think it's flickering, and it's showing us the battery, so it's 0 battery. So this smartphone has been sitting in a drawer for quite some time, so it's about time it got fixed. So the Poco logo, MIUI, so far so good, and we are now ready to input our password, but we can't because we don't know. So the client, I think, just wants us to replace it without testing it going into the smartphone. So we'll leave the final testing to them, I guess. We're gonna detach the replacement display. So the connector for the display is buried underneath the battery, so the battery needs to pop out. I'm gonna remove the battery, push it up on its side, peel this film off, free the connector for the display, and of course peel off the connector for the display. Next, we're gonna scrape off the display, pry it off from the housing, and I think it's gonna be easy. Look at that. The adhesive is not that strong, fortunately. And we're just gonna pull it out, and that's it. Gone is the broken display. We're gonna clean off the glue residue around. And I think the housing is made up of plastic, so there's no bend on the corners or the sides, so it's good for us to put a fresh layer of our liquid glue. Just enough. Then we're gonna install the new display. Let the connector go through the housing, align it, and press it in. Connect the display to the main board and reverse the process. We're just gonna bury it underneath the battery again just to secure it. I'm gonna reuse the adhesive tapes for the battery. There you go. And we're almost done. So if you have a Poco M4 Pro that needs a new display, or needs a new battery, or needs a new back cover, but you know where to go. here in Sydney CBD Repair Center, we cater to as many clients as we can. So if David has some parts for you or can source the parts for you for a relatively short time, then he will do the job. So if you're interested in the services that we offer here in the shop, it's gonna be good news to you that we just give you the fair price, fair rates for all our services. No hidden charges, and we are in Sydney CBD. And if you're not from Australia or not from Sydney, you can mail in your broken smartphone once you confirm everything with David, and we fix it here and then send it back to you through mail. We have already fixed smartphones from overseas, so if you want to be one of them, especially for the owners of Asus ROG phones, you can definitely take advantage of this offer. So once again, this Poco M4 Pro will not be tested on camera. The client will just test it once they receive the device. So we're just gonna close it up and give them a call. So if you like this video, guys, leave us a comment, like, subscribe. We release new videos every day, so we'll definitely see you again next time. Take care of yourself, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.